It's creamy, it's vegan, and it's not too sweet. Hi, welcome to Maree. I've just made a healthy version of a rice pudding using brown rice, no refined sugar, and soy milk. So if you'd like to see how to make it, come with me and let's see. The first ingredient is 2.5 cups of soy milk. You can use any milk of choice. And I'm just putting my induction hob on a medium temperature of 5. Next, I'm adding in 2 cups of leftover cooked brown rice. I actually had that in the freezer. I defrosted it last night. This recipe is a great way to use up any leftover brown rice. For a little bit of sweetener, I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. You can leave that out, or you can add any sweetener you like. Add more or less to taste. Just mixing that around. Then I'm adding in 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. The next ingredient I'm adding is 1/3 cup of raisins. This is optional. I grew up with my mum making a rice pudding with raisins, so this is kind of like an old comfort memory. So if you didn't want it so sweet, you could leave them out. Now I increased the temperature slightly to 7 because I wasn't getting any bubbling. So I raised it at 7 for about 5 minutes until it started bubbling, and then I reduced the temperature to 4, and then I cooked it for about 30 to 40 minutes. So as you can see, most of the milk has absorbed. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. It's better to add that at the end after you finish cooking it. Mix that through. So my rice pudding is all finished, and I let it cook for 30 minutes on a simmer today, and then I've rested it with the lid on my pot for 20 minutes. So it thickened up and it became more creamy. Now, if you'd like to have it even creamier, you can add some yogurt through it, like a natural Greek yogurt, or if vegan's important to you, make sure it's like a coconut yogurt. What I'm going to do, I'm going to prep it for breakfast this week. I'm going to pop it into these glass jars. So I'm just going to scoop some out. I'll start with 1/4 cup. Now I've added the raisins, but if you don't want raisins and you don't want it so sweet, leave them out. I'm just going to use some paper towel just to clean those up. Now if you've got glass jars with lids on it, you could use those as well. I'm just doing this because they're nice and high and they're the same shape. So these are just some frozen blueberries I had in the freezer. Just going to add those to the top. And I've got some chopped up pistachios just to make it look all pretty. There you go. My healthier brown rice pudding, no refined sugar. Let me know in the comments below if you give this a go and what you think of it. And let me know in the comments below where you're watching from. I love to know where you're watching from. And if you've got any other ideas on what you want me to make for healthier breakfast ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.